Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now look at this question. What is said in here? A point charge q is placed at a distance x from the center of a conducting a sphere of radius r, okay? And r is less than x. Clearly from the diagram also it is visible. Now in A, what we are getting asked, how much charge will flow through the switch S when it is close to ground the sphere. So we are closing this switch in order to ground the sphere. It means in order to connect the sphere to the ground. So इसको जब हमने connect करा, then what will happen? This sphere will have direct contact with the ground. So it is earth sort of, right? In that case, we are asked how much charge will flow through the switch. So why the charge will flow first of all? देखो जब भी हम कोई चीज को अर्थ से कनेक्ट करते हैं, there is one universal thing, that is potential of that particular thing will become zero. So potential of this will become zero. Now earlier before the connection, what was its potential? अगर आप imagine करो connection नहीं है, then in this case there is no charge on this sphere, right? Done है? But there is a charge in its vicinity, in its surrounding, which is at a distance x. So यहाँ पे एक point charge है और इसका center यहाँ से कितने डिस्टेंस पर है? x डिस्टेंस पे है. Why we are interested in center? क्योंकि हमें पता है if there is a cell sort of thing and if it is conducting, then at any point inside the cell, potential will be same and that potential will be whatever is at the center, whatever is at the surface. ठीक है? So center which is at a distance x from the q charge, we can calculate potential at this position because of this small charge q. So potential at that point will be equal to kq by r. And this is going to be the potential at any point inside the cell, and also that value will be same as to that of potential on its surface. So इसके surface पे भी potential क्या होने वाला है? kq by r. So before connection is made, it has actually positive potential kq by r. And after the connection is made, it is said that v equal to 0. लेकिन अभी भी q charge की वजह से on its surface potential will be how much? kq by r, right? So what will make the potential equal to 0? So there must be some negative charge flowing from earth to this sphere. Let's say this is some charge minus q. Now what will be the value of this minus q? If minus q value of charge is coming to its surface, then what will be potential because of this negative charge? That will be minus kq by r. And summation of this potential and this potential should add up to 0, right? So this is kq by x it is. ठीक है? So चलो इन दोनों को इन दोनों को add करो and equate it to 0. So kq by x, which is potential because of this small q charge, and minus kq by r, this is potential because of the negative charge which is flowing from the earth. Why negative charge I am saying? क्योंकि इसके पास already positive potential था. In order to make potential 0, you need to add some negative potential, meaning you need to give it negative charge. So this is equal to 0. अब आप इसको देखो कितना आएगा वैल्यू? kq by x is equal to kq by r. So k will get cancelled and q will be equal to how much? qr by x. And this is the negative charge. ऐसे भी अगर आप नेगेटिव चार्ज पहले से नहीं समझ के भी सॉल्व करते हो ना, लेट्स से q charge is flowing, in that case you will say that potential initial was kq by x, finally because of q charge flowing, potential will be kq by r, and total potential will add up to 0. From here also you will be getting sign of q as negative, right? So already I assume that this is negative because it will be, so I have written here negative potential and then equated to 0, we are getting positive value. So negative sign I am including in order to show that q is negative, okay? What else is said? Find current to the switch S when charge Q is moved towards the sphere with a velocity V. So when this charge Q is not stationary, it is, it is moving. In that case, X will change. In that case, initial potential, positive potential of a point on its surface will change, right? क्योंकि X change हो रहा है. So this will change. And if this is going to change, amount of charge flowing from Earth to the surface of this sphere will also vary in order to add up this potential equal to 0, right? So that is also going to vary. अब देखो करंट को आप कैसे निकालोगे? सो कितना करंट फ्लो कर रहा है? अब देखो Q का वैल्यू आपको पता है, Q का वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस क्यू आर बाई एक्स. सो मैग्नीट्यूड लेकर चलते Q इज इक्वल टू, सॉरी भूल जाती हूँ जल्दी, क्यू आर बाई एक्स. सो दिस इज क्यू आर बाई एक्स. ओके. सो अगर आपको करंट निकालना है, what you will be doing, dq by dt. So this is equal to qr. This q and this r is constant, right? X is variable, so dx minus 1 by dt. So here I is equal to how much? Minus qr dx. I mean, this will become x ka square, then you will be left with dx by dt. So this is going to be your velocity. So I is equal to minus qr by x square इनटू वेलोसिटी v. अब देखो ये नेगेटिव साइन का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस होगा. जैसे आप देखो, अगर ये चार्ज इधर की तरफ मूव करता है टुवर्ड्स एक्स एक्सिस, आई मीन टुवर्ड्स दिस डायरेक्शन, इन दैट केस x is decreasing, so this is decreasing, right? And if this x is decreasing, this value will increase, and in that case q amount of charge जो आ रहा है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड बढ़ेगा. डन है. बट इफ एक्स इज इंक्रीजिंग, इन दैट केस तुम्हारा ये वाला वैल्यू क्या होगा, के क्यू बाई एक्स विल डिक्रीज, तो पोटेंशियल इज डिक्रीजिंग. सो नाउ यू हैव टू एड समथिंग लेस लिटिल इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट इक्वल टू जीरो, राइट? सो उस केस में तुम्हारा क्यू घटेगा, राइट? सो यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखो, डी एक्स बाई डी टी. डन है. सो इफ dx by dt इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सो dx क्या होगा, अगर ये इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है तो dx तुम्हारा घट रहा है. डन है. सो दिस इज inherently negative. This dx is what? Inherently negative, क्योंकि initial x is what? This distance. Finally at any time t, let's say x is this. So फाइनल वैल्यू माइनस इनिशियल करोगे, अगर dx वैसे निकालते हो, यू विल बी गेटिंग नेगेटिव थिंग. सो हियर dx by dt जो आप लिख रहे हो ना, this won't be equal to velocity, rather minus dx by dt will be equal to velocity. ठीक है. Because here dx is inherently negative, in order to make this positive we will write minus dx by dt. So here I will be writing q r v by x का square, and this is equal to your current. ठीक है. This is going to be the answer. What was said? We were asked to calculate current, right? It is moved towards the sphere. So towards the sphere के केस में x घट रहा है. So yeah, we will be getting this. So as x will decrease, x is decreasing with the time, current will increase. ऐसे भी हम reasoning से समझ पा रहे हैं, if x is decreasing, potential will increase on the surface. So in order to make it zero, we need to allow more amount of negative charge to be flown from earth to the surface. Then so current is more inversely proportional to x. So I hope you have understood this concept, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.